How to restore TikTok streak, recover TikTok streak. So, just go ahead to the person you want to recover a TikTok streak, and you gotta put in mind that there's only a limited time you can restore it. So once your streak breaks, for example, over here, you'll pretty much only have at least a day, I suppose, to be able to see the restore option, just like the one over here. But if you're lucky enough, you should be able to find this before it disappears. Just go ahead and press on the restore button directly in your chat. Then you'll be able to see how many restores you have left for the month. So with that being said, it will reset every month. But if you want to go ahead and restore, just go ahead and press on the big red button that says restore. And that's pretty much how you restore your TikTok streak. As you can see over here, it's restored to whatever last day or number of streak you had with that person. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.